On this video, I will be making my brownie, half regular brownie, half pepperminted brownie, okay? So you make sure you stay tuned because you want to see the finished product. Half regular brownie, half peppermint brownie. What is it gonna taste like? We gonna see. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am so excited to be with you for another day of Vlogmas. Alright, beautiful people, so now we are going to make these bad boys. Now, I have been trying to figure out like what I can make on a regular basis and things I could do like every Christmas season, and I think I have one idea. I'm gonna make sure the house have a smell, okay, for the whole month of December. I will do better next year. And then I will make these brownies. Like, I'm gonna perfect a brownie recipe that is going to blow the socks off my kids, my family, and everybody that comes to the house, okay? So now we're gonna start off with these here. This is the brownie mix that I chose. It is the Betty Crocker. Okay, I have to start somewhere. For all the people that's like, oh man, you're not doing like a brownie recipe because you're not making a brownie yourself, blah, 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 blah. That is exactly what I hear, okay? So I'm starting off with this Betty Crocker Supreme Chocolate Chunk Brownie Mix. Now, I, of course, need to make sure the oven is turned on because my oven takes a little bit longer than usual. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on to 325 degrees, and then we're gonna get the mix. All right, so we have our bowl that we're gonna mix everything in. It asks for a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the water in, and then a 1/4 cup of vegetable, or excuse me, a 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil must go into the bowl. Let's do that. Whoop. Boom. Alright. And we're gonna add the packet. Now, I always try to like add something, and I'm gonna add the egg on top. I always try to add like a little something that takes it to the next level. And I'm trying to think of what it could be like. Could it be brown sugar? Could it be cinnamon? I don't know. Like, does cinnamon go in brownies? I don't think so. I'm gonna leave that out. I'm gonna leave that thought alone. I'm gonna stay to the script, okay? Because I'm already adding something that I usually wouldn't add, which is peppermint. My daughter Rain, she loves peppermint. And so I feel like this would be like a nice, sweet treat of a surprise for her. That she'll be like, oh my gosh, Dad, I love you so much. Like, she does say that. Like, I love it. Oh, I love it when she says that. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this egg in here. Boom, shakalaka. You know what I'm saying? Gotta wipe your hands off. No salmonella. You can't have that going on in the Jones family household. Nope. Alright, so now that I have these bad boys in here, let's see, you know, let's go ahead and mix it up. I'm mix it up. Alright. Doing too much, y'all. I'm getting excited. Rinse this off. Alright, so let's go ahead and mix it. And then like as I'm mixing it, I'm just thinking, right? I'm thinking, what could I add? And so I'm gonna ask you all, what could I add to this brownie mix that will take it to the next level? Now obviously I will not add it in this here concoction, this here mix, but as I grow my brownie recipe, as I grow what I'm doing on a seasonal, yearly basis, your tips could be the tips that take it to the next level. Or your tip could be the tip that takes somebody else's brownie mix to the next level. I don't know. We gonna see. Oh yeah. It's some chunks of chocolate in here in this mix, which is like already an interesting ordeal, because I did not expect that to be the case, but it's okay. I'm gonna roll with it. We're gonna let it do what it do. Woo! It's a forearm workout, but I tell you what. Good grief. Alright. Yeah. I feel good about this, y'all. I feel good about it. So I'm gonna just leave this. I'm gonna just do that, right? So what I'm gonna do is grease this pan so that, you know, it's all goody and goody gumdrop. Let's see, should I grease it or should I put butter? Should I put butter? Do not eat raw brownie batter. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. What does it recommend? Do I stir, spray it in the pan? It does not say anything about spraying, so I'm just gonna spray it. Let's spray it. I'll just spray it all. You know what I'm saying? Just have that going. All that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pan. Now my preference is not like a thick brownie. So this pan is definitely going to stretch the mix to the max. It's almost like brownie cookies. Oh man, maybe this pan was too big. We'll see. I don't know. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This pan is definitely too big. Well, no, brownies do rise. Yep, brownies rise. So I will be okay. All right. So boom, there's that. Right. The brownie is in here. Oh man, there's some extra stuff on here. Let's just do it like that. Just hope it drains down. All right. Put that right there. Take the brownie mix, put it right here. All right, let's go ahead and wipe off the spillage. All right, that one is done. Right, so now I'm going to take these peppermints and then sprinkle them on top of half, right? So I'm gonna take about, 4, 5, 6, I need to know, right? 7 peppermints. 7 peppermints I'm going to put into this Nutra blender. Blend this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Just another kitchen gadget Crystal has. And so, hey, the wife has the gadgets, the husband gets curious. This is what we do. Okay, I'm going with 5. I think 5 is enough. And if not, I can always add, oh, wrong side, to it. Let's blend it up. All right. Oh man, this is interesting. So it's very, it's a lot finer than I thought it was gonna be. It's like a dust. All right. All right, so that is enough. That's all I'm going for. That's all I want. So I'm gonna show you all what it looks like now. I'm gonna bring the camera over to show you what it looks like before it goes into the oven. We're gonna put it into the oven when this bad boy beeps, because it haven't even beeped already. And so once it beeps, it's going to the oven. We're gonna see what we get. What? All right, great people. It's time for it to go into the oven. Has it for 30 minutes. Here's the product going in. As you can see, we have the peppermint on one side and then, majority of it non-peppermint. Because I don't know what it's actually going to taste like and be like. Alexa, set timer for 31 minutes.
31 minutes, starting now.
Alright, beautiful people, so here is what we ended up with. As you can see, it looks very interesting, right? So on this side is where the peppermints were sprinkled on top, and then of course this 2/4 or about 2/3 were is where none were. Very interesting, right? So let's cut it open and see how it ultimately tastes. All right, beautiful people, so now we are about to give this a try. I gave it some time to rest so it wouldn't be all hot and all that good stuff, but we gonna see how it ultimately turned out. I'm gonna try this layer of peppermint. Oh boy, it's very soft, probably because it's so thin. So let's see. Okay. The peppermint is actually a nice touch. There's a level of refreshment, but also a layer of taste that comes with it. Put this to the side so that if anybody else come over, they want to try it out, they can. I'm very, it doesn't look the best to be honest, but, regular is regular. This is it, you know what I'm saying? Peppermint side, regular side. I dig it. I think I started something new. Well, I definitely did start something new. You know what I'm saying? Christmas brownies. And now I have a nice start. This is a A beautiful start. I'm gonna let it rest a little bit more because the box did say to use like a plastic fork, or excuse me, plastic knife when cutting when it's still warm. So I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit more before I really do all the cuts, you know, into different pieces so that people want to try it out. It's nice and presentable, things like that. So, hey, that was it. Let me know, like I said in the comment section below, if there's some different tricks, tips, or ways in which you think I could take it to the next level on my next go round. What I will do is, as I'm eating it, put a little caramel drizzle on that bad boy. You know what I'm saying. A little turtle action. But for this, it was good. It is what it is, and I like the way it turned out, okay? All right, beautiful people, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tune back in to tomorrow's video. We are going back to back to back for Vlogmas 2020, so don't miss anything. Make sure you're a part. Click the bell notification so you're aware of everything that comes your way by way of us, the Jones family. DKUJ, we love you all, and see you on the next video. Woo!